Dirty blood Dwayne, your blood want clean. Your blood want cleanse. Yeah, the blood of Jesus again say your blood want cleanse. How you go out on social media like that and you have YouTube go back up on you and you look like many things in dirty blood, boy. Your blood need to go and see about. Your blood dirty. Ya itch up on me bono nonos, bitch. Ya itch up on me bono nonos like a she give you dirty blood. Go and split all down the middle and shave that bumper clot and yam it. Me tell you the rest of the remedy them. Me say look on you. Look on your dirty blood a short in your face. Boy, ya make YouTube page. One of my blogger friend where me respect. Yes, me respect her. Of course. She see a video, you know. And you know, for them people that come from the way and use a blood clot embarrassment. Eh? So why you never had a catch up good? When you make your life earlier. Eh? Then for cut off your blood clot check over there. You're not doing nothing. I wonder where you get the check for. You get the check for having dirty blood. Me used to think, say, boy, when me tell you the things them, you hear me? Me have to go refix that over, dirty boy. Dirty blood boy. Me have to go refix that over. Because me are gonna need PPE suit, double trash bag, triple latex gloves, you nasty bumper wall, you. No matter what you say, you that Greek boy. You got that, bitch, you got more than that fever. I know she do it. I know she do it. Make we talk truth. That's why them for cut off your blood clot check. Third letter of the alphabet, A, B, C, stuck. Go and move. Boy, me say one time a friend say, coming like say other side just collapse. Eh? They say you look like next to nothing. Mighty God of Daniel, do it fucking matter if you grow your beard or not. You look like your dirty blood clot at them where you wear for the last 6 years. You look like them. Dirty blood boys, not she do it. All the way you go along with inside of you, I know she do it. Bitch, they set a barn fire, a hand going barn fire, nothing for cure that. Nothing for cure that, batty boy. Nothing for cure that. Use one of the worst ones. Your day go come and go and season shit your blood clot. Wait, I only have a couple more days to go. You want it? No boy like you can't warn nobody in a real life. Look how you stay. I take away your blood clot, silver crutch and lick in your head with it. Right on the part there. Just that part, man. That's it. Nowhere else. But you go on and go on every day. You and Tina Chin. I act like say, she go no the bad blood. Eh? Where she having she in a race with you in a doing. Cause look on her daughter will look like the 9th letter of the alphabet. One time you look like the 3rd letter of the alphabet. He nasty boy. I know she give you. Catch up. I know she give you. Oh, I go take your bottle hole and go make it into a sauce for turn it around. Now you act like say every time them tell you your fucking status, then you act like say somebody late for you. It's you. Are you with your dirty blood? Are you? I don't know nobody fault. So they make you swallow the kerosene oil, swallow the diesel gas, and then light your body wall of fire. Boy. I'm not skipping over it. No, because when you talk about a nonsense, no man in the world, yeah. And you have a woman in that caliber, you not get away with nothing dirty blood, boy. Oh, fever. None of that. You look like shit. Them say you look like when a 2-year-old make the letter K. Them say your good side look just like that. Can you imagine that? Eh? You know see Antina chin teeth them in the runnings. Hey? I go and call the blood clot gang unit for no mouth and fear her foot. All nastiness. Nobody fault. Hungry belly boy. Hungry belly boy, we are trying to make a couple of dollars instead of using your mouth. Me not talk about for put it by nobody because you will get locked up. Your mouth can't go nowhere. Fucking idiot boy. Cannot even blood clot fight. The first lick you give him with him third leg. Eh? Him want no more. Man, move that pussy hole out of the way and throw him down on him good side. Well, look like it come down now. Oh no, move that pussy hole there. What you mean? Look on Dwayne. Tell me say if Uno in a real life wouldn't talk to that. I kick over and blood clot water pill them. Oh. I kick over and water pill them. But what do you? Eh? Now him a react like he can run around the block. And clap, clap, clap. Don't it? Don't be mad with me. And in dirty blood clot mouth. Eh? Oh no mad. Oh no mad. Oh, I don't feel some type of way because fuck him. I don't not hear what I say. God hear what I say. Ah. It ain't gonna be before long, you know. You hear me say? Cocky make you look old before you're young. Look how you block no blood clot and you spend more time inside. Oh man, that shit taking over you, boy. I'm a damn man. She ain't do it. She ain't did. All the hate that I want to be in her bosom. No, the fuck you don't. No, you don't. It's too hot in America right now to be wearing PPE suit. Everybody needs to know you got that steamer. You got that steamer, bitch. You need that. You got that steamer. May I call my friend? May I step on Dwayne? Cause Dwayne not tell nobody. Saying him hotter than Scotch bonnet pepper. Him hotter than Spanish pepper. All milk can cool down your inside. I know she do it. Stop putting a look a long time problem on people. That's enough for do. But you have that click clack kaboom. That's what you got, boy. You got that brrr. You got that fire. Bitch, we can't even use an extinguisher on that ass. You want to be around everybody and you fucking burning. Bitch, if your spit catch one of them people, they gonna break out with the holy shit. Only person we was around was Dewesha. Cock can never lead me up. Fucking nigga, man, you better look here, man. Get the fuck out of here. If you can't stand up in real life, we the fuck don't want to hear you. Period. We want to hear all the people that went through something and then can come back and tell us, because the Lord ain't made everybody the same. So big up to all those people. But when they see you, I want them to know that you ain't shit, motherfucker, and you got a third leg and abusing that shit. It's silver. Yeah, pussy nigga. What woman in their right mind would talk to a dog shit like you? Huh? With them swollen ass fucking legs. Look like somebody need to help you out with a hot pin and stick you with that shit to get all that nastiness out. That ain't water, that's pus. You got that A, we ain't going to B. Yeah, you got the A and the B. You got that shit and you a bitch. Fuck wrong with you? You running around here. You trying to make everybody act like somebody done gave it to you. You better go on. You better go get that microscope and go looking at your butthole and see who last name is on it or in it. That's what you need to do. Sitting up here. Tired of you motherfuckers, and then y'all got that bitch. First of all, Tina Chin, tomorrow is for you, bitch. They told me to wait for you. Because you was a runner. You a runner. You a track star. Yeah. It was out no hungry belly, no blood clot. Let me tell you that from now. Can you imagine, eh? Dwayne, imagine now. You're outside. You're going with the same thing, you know. And just imagine, oh Jesus. Me I talk about the side man. When time a lady down in the blood clot bed and I peel your brain backwards. I peel your scalp looking at your brain. One licking at that blood clot. Move, bitch. Yeah. You want the pan devilish time? Come back with the pan devilish time. Cause Dwayne, you, Tina Chin, Marcia, never know how gifted me is. Come back with the pan demon time. Pussy wall. I put you in front of a microwave, a microwave, a microwave. Put your sea-letter body looking ass in the microwave. Right next to it. Fuck wrong with you, pussy nigga. Now tell me what woman have split bit because look here. My bununu knows no fear pain. None of uno. No attention. That's so God want her for work and that's the best. That's the best. So it's now all up for you and that bitch that they need to call iSong. And that other one that's hiding. Until then, you pussy bitches gonna get what y'all need. Motherfucker, we not talking about that Nigerian artist Burna Boy. Bitch, you burning on the inside. What you got going on? Listen, if my friend went to go see you on YouTube today and I just heard that shit, just the description, let me tell you something, motherfucker, that shit taking over you. That shit taking over you, babe. It's taking over you, babe. Yes, it is. That's some, you got some high caliber shit. Stay your ass over there. We don't need no bullet. Jesus got us. You take your hot box ass somewhere else, your bitch ass. Do London Hospital know this? I went in to give the wrong blood, make it. Oh, you can't. You that play baseball, bitch. You catch one. Why you was there? What you call them people that catch in baseball? The catcher? Well, motherfucker turned the catcher without the baseball uniform on. Pussy ass nigga. How the fuck I'm 45 and I look better than this bitch? Did y'all see this fucking bear? The way now no style, no class, no nothing. Ain't look pan Rolly. Hey, they got, alright. Wanna look pan Shamar. The one that say, clock that tea. And look pan Rolly way in a wheelchair. He make no blood clot sense. Look pan how them use them time and they're American born. Look at this lean up, catch up, hemmed up. Burn a blood clot, bullet. Him got the bomb ass nigga. Eh? Wanna take those two individuals and look on that one, yeah. That pussy will that make sense. I never God do it. God take him out of a situation. I know she give. I know she do it. You lean pan her blood clot name before you go have a seat with your mother and talk to her while she in the living. Because if it not come back to you, it'll come back to she, you know. Oh. That's why I mean I do certain things. You see all of them things you know. I'm just spreading awareness. No wonder you and Tina Chin so blood clot close. It can make you look some type of way though, boy. You cannot talk to nobody. People feel sorry for your pussy wall. Let me tell you the truth. Oh. You can't walk on away with nobody. You will put people back behind time like your blood clot body and the way how it is right now. Bitch, the people them in our 75 lane. You in a one bumbleclad 5 miles per hour lane. Now where y'all go? Beep beep move. Beep beep. Out of the way. Beep beep. You get a blood clot ticket for moving slow. Slower than a shellback turtle. You can't chat to nobody. Nobody now listen to you. You're fucking hungry. You're too busy. I give away the people them government check where you get for look after yourself. But not even when time and give that for the bomb where you have. Boy, for the bullet them where you for the bullet them where you have. But they look a nasty self. You don't have to see the things them won't really look like. Boy, keep your mouth shut. If nobody never hold a snake by the head and make that open and open up the mouth and look in there and look on that one little thing, that little hole. Make the nasty mouth, germs him out, boy, that shit up mouth, boy, open up your mouth. I don't know what see it. Fucking snake. You have to learn how to kill a snake. You not chop it once and it just like that. The tails keep moving. You have to do 1, 2, 3. I say cup and the weird. Every time I think about what my friend said, baby, he done had it hard, honey. That one done hit it hard, baby. Is you cool? Dwayne, you cool? Are you cool, ho? Clock this. I said, are you cool? Fuck wrong with you, fuck boy. You can't fight. You can't stand up for your own goddamn right. Pussy ass nigga. Boy, your daddy, I know she give you. And that my argument is tonight. Before I go to work, I know she give you. I know she give you. Oh no, and that deep shit. You Antina chin and that deep shit. Defenseless pussy wall, but you know a giant and you should have not, for background, you should have a giant and a prayer, but you know a giant and for do what? Get licked down from the top of the hill. Okay. Oh, it not start yet, you know. Oh. One time I done embarrass you nasty blood clot. Eh? Alright. TikTok me I go with you, you know. TikTok me I go with you. Me have some friends over there. Them would love to see what's behind the scene. Yeah, cause you're nasty batty man. I don't know where them at. I don't know where I say I take advantage of the disadvantage of the client for, you know. When time use one, you know. She can look after you. 2 3 nasty no blood clot. We can look after each other. Larry, Moe, and Curly. Look for the little nasty boy. Eh? We foreigners over here, man. South London don't like you, bitch ass nigga. South London don't like you. Go get the fuck in your house. Get in your flat. Get in the government flat. Go home. Sit there. Sit in one fucking corner. Pussy ass nigga. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Doo-doo. 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 We still waiting, bitch. Doo-doo-doo-doo. How long it take you to go across the room and come back? You need to slow the fuck down and practice on that. None of the issues that you have. Oh, what's that lady name on the internet? Oh, isn't that the lady that you was going crazy over? Oh, we could tell a fake nigga when we saw one. We just had to shut up and read the room first 5 years ago, bitch ass nigga. Cry, cry, baby. Me say, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Fucking idiot. And the girls them never know what to do until you land at Jamaica. And at that time there. Oh duh. But them I make you take with that blood clot. I make you walk, I make you glide sideways back to where you da go. I want to you. You're mad.